The amazing place, and you can see Mr. Amol. He's heading the reservations, and this is the way to go to restaurant out here. Here, so what's your name?
Pooja.
Pooja here. Hi Pooja, hope everything is good.
Yes, sir.
So this is a wonderful reception here at Hotel Supreme Heritage. So sorry for this, and then let's just. So this is a restaurant which is open almost the whole day. It's having a beautiful lighting. And this is the sitting arrangement out here. This is a beautiful sitting arrangement with beautiful lights. And you can see some live counters. Right now the breakfast is going on. Hello sir, how are you? So this is the live counter out here. And this is wonderful. So let's quickly check some food out here. So you have a good breakfast with the boiled eggs, masala rice, corn, and a lot of food in terms of the fruits and some bakery items and some juices, and there is good amount of food. This upma, poha, methi paratha, bhaji, a lot of food, and they have a good counter out here for serving the customers. And now I'm meeting with the restaurant manager. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
Manish.
Manish. So Manish is heading this restaurant, a wonderful, beautiful restaurant with beautiful lights. An amazing place to be in. Great place. Mr. Anil is managing the morning breakfast. We have Yukta Basram there, and this is the room. Let's see how big this is. So this is the entrance, and this is really big. Now let's go see the bathroom, and then we will come back here. So bathroom is transparent. You can see again room from this side, and there is a shower. And then you can see here there is a press stand and big bed. You have a TV, sofa. So it's really beautiful, really big, beautiful room.